Chrome extensions can enhance your browsing experience on Chromebook, but sometimes you might want to declutter or remove extension you no longer need. Here in this video, we will walk you through the step to remove Chrome extension on Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. To remove Chrome extension, you have to open Google Chrome browser. If you have Google Chrome browser on yourself, you can simply click on the icon to open it, or else you can also open Google Chrome from the app launcher. Now click on this extension icon and hover your mouse to extensions option, and here click on manage extension. Here you will find all the extensions that are installed on your Chromebook. Now to remove or delete extension, you can simply click on this remove button. And here you will find a prompt whether you want to remove or not. Here simply click on this remove button to confirm the action. And wait for a few seconds and your extension will be removed from your Chromebook. Similarly, you can also remove other extension. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.